guys, today let me see that what is types of hackers and then how the hackers works under their responsibilities and roles. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, so here we have 9 types. Okay, we have a first one as a black hat hacker, and the second we have a white hat, gray hat, suicidal hackers, security people, cyber terrorists, and state-sponsored hackers and hacktivists. Okay, so first, what is a black hat people? See, as a ethical hacking is a performance of undering a company's policies, so they have their responsibilities to work on that, right? So, like that same way, this black hat hacker people who is hired as an individually from this company or like competitor's company, okay, to either to give the financial losses or to damage their reputations or making some money in the illegal ways processes. So this people is mostly including of cracking the things and breaking into the systems and doing illegal steps. Okay, so here in next hand we are the quite opposite of the white hat hacker people. So white hat hacker people, we call them also an ethical hacker who's secured and defends our uh, information security protocols and other things. Okay, this individual is performing like having the high tech skills. Okay, who's helps to propose our security protocols and network and applications. So it's mostly we also call them ethical hackers. Okay, so next we have a gray hat hackers. This people is known as a mixed combination of black and white. So why mixed combination of black and whites? These individuals work for the offense also and as well as in the defense mechanisms also. And sometimes they will be doing the various roles in their offices. For example, they will be hired in some company. Okay, for earning an extra sort of money. Okay, these people will be doing illegal activities on their own and as well as into legal activities for the companies. So even they selling the company's data as informations. So like this, they will be doing a mixed combination between from black hat and white hat. Okay, so next we have a suicidal hackers. So this people are individual who aim to bring down the critical infrastructures, like something, for example, two pollutions or something is fighting between them. Okay, so these people are ready to break it out something on their network and applications. Okay, to make a very big loss for this whole nation or something like that, or else even they are ready to die for their self. Okay, they're not, I mean, they're more into like a religious or a political beliefs peoples. So those people we mostly call them as suicidal hackers. Okay. So next we have a script kiddie people. So this people is kind of kids in cybersecurity, you can see, or ethical hacking. They doesn't know a lot more things. Okay, they're just seeing some sort of YouTube videos or looking into some GitHub repository tools and running some tools. They think themselves as an expert in cybersecurity. Okay, so this people we call them as script kiddie people, who are unskilled hacker who know the compromising a systems or running some scripts to believe themselves as real hackers. Okay, so next we have a cyber terrorist. So cyber terrorist people are, you can say them like exactly like a social hackers. They also like a mostly widely motivated for their religions or a political beliefs to make us fear for the larger scale distributions into computer networks or other systems. So, for example, you can take it them like terrorist as the name of the terrorist. So they will be sacrificing their own life for this to bring down this for their religions or to the political beliefs. So these people also we call them cyber terrorist. So next we have a state-sponsored hacker. The state-sponsored hacker is from the government entities. Okay, so they will be hired as a private hacker, so they want to track about some of the companies or any like individual persons. Okay, the state sponsored hackers will be hired from the government side, so they will be like gathering information on the secret of the top embassies or any like individual persons. So for an example, we know about like Pegasus, right? So Pegasus is a most famous malware industry. So this is developed by one companies, right? So these people are into this kind of state-sponsored hackers. They will be hacking up prime ministers and then CMs. So like this presidents of the cities, like that. This people is mostly sponsored by the government side to make a spy on them. Okay, next we have hacktivist. So in this hacktivist, we also call them an anonymous gang, right? So these people will be sometimes individually promoting political agendas, and then defacing or something, or disabling our websites. So they are mostly into compromising or something else, like all the hackers do. So if the two religions or two countries are fighting between them, okay, so to bring down their assets, so they will be compromising these things to make that no internet connectivities between them, like this, to make a communications to, like example, like Russia and Ukraine wars. So some of the Russian hackers are hacking into some different countries to compromise their systems. So these people are mostly, we can call them a hacktivist or an anonymous scam. So I hope we understand that what are the types of hackers, right? So how the individuals works for them, and then how those illegal activities run from their own sites. So that's about this. Thank you.